Hey guys, Ishwan back here with another unboxing. Today we got the Dame 5 and the Black Panther colorway. This is gotta be exciting for those of you who are Marvel fans such as myself. I've been waiting for these for a while, and I just thought they looked really cool when we got the first teaser. So this is straight off the truck, just got these in. They didn't come in a normal box, so I have to open it from the end, as you can see. I opened it the right way up. Let's see, get these slid out of there. And you'll see we get a very cool box for buying these. I really like when manufacturers do different packaging for the product. If it's a special edition, we got these in size 10 because I'm actually getting them for a friend. But look at that. It's just bits and strips of comic book moments and movie moments. Alright, let's get into it. We got Marvel stuff up here and more lettering up on the inside of the box, nothing special. Ooh, and there we go. That's what you guys came for. These are very, very nice. That rubber is so grippy. It's very sturdy, like the rubber doesn't bend if I push on it sideways, but it's super sticky. That is very nice. And then these are just two different materials. They feel really good. I like the crisscross patterns to look like his suit, Black Panther suit that is. And then this front part, at first I thought it was a SHIELD logo. On the other shoes it might be, but this has a little Black Panther etched in there. I don't know if you guys can see it or if the reflection's too strong. On the back you got Wakanda. Dang, these are very, very nice shoes. Let's see if I can't stretch that out, show you guys the insole. It says Adidas Marvel in there. That's cool, you're getting a full out collaboration between Adidas and Marvel. I really like it. See the other shoe in here. The other shoe looks the same as the first. I like what Adidas been doing. They'll do one traction pattern out of a certain type of rubber, and then they'll just do a section of the shoe in a different style of rubber. And if you're one of those people who thinks that the compounds matter a lot, which I am one of them, that just gives you a little bit more consistency, because if one of the rubber compounds is bad, then maybe you'll get a little better performance out of the other. It's just kind of like a safety thing. Taking a look at the toe, you got this pattern on here, and I don't know how this feels, but it's not like a full-on leather, but it kind of feels like it. And it doesn't feel very breathable, but it does feel really sturdy. Yeah, this on the side, it feels really, really smooth, kind of like the back of a Pixel phone. If you're into tech, I don't know, that's the best way I can describe it. Just pretty weird. The cushioning, it's kind of soft, it's decent. And then you got felt Adidas logos. The 3 stripe right there, it's made out of felt. On the front of this shoe, you have the Damian Lillard logo instead of the Black Panther logo, which is pretty cool. And on the inside, you'll experience the same thing. You get purple aglets on your laces. And I'll go ahead and move this box out of the way, which, by the way, the wrapping paper says Marvel and Adidas. So that's a nice little touch right there. Move this to the side. Move our unboxing knife. Alright. Taking a look at the shoes side by side, you can see that they're meant to complement each other. You got the Black Panther logo, the Dame logo, and then if I flip them around for y'all, you can see Wakanda Forever. And if you're a fan of the movie, that was just, you'll know if you're a fan of the comics, it's just a thing. They say if you're from Wakanda. This little plate on the inside where your arch would be of your foot, it is very pronounced. It bulges out right here on each shoe a lot. And I don't know if that's just to add comfort. Starting off with the upper, we got a very soft and stretchy elastic material. It doesn't stretch too much, but it stretches enough to give it a plush feel. On the interior, you have more pads for your Achilles, and the pads, as I said earlier, go down into the shoe. I don't know how to show you guys that, without stretching the shoe a whole lot. We got the tongue on the back is just like a normal strap. This purple pattern on the sides feels very plasticky, but like a soft plastic. So I don't know how they put that on there. I don't know what it's made out of, but I do not believe it'll breathe very well. You have a soft foam type material right here on the inside counter, along with a foam. It's a little bit different material foam right there, and I know you can see the color difference right there that his signature's on. And then I don't know what the cushioning system that they're using for these is. Somebody put it in the comments. Other videos will probably cover it. And then we got this material up here. It's very rough, but it seems very durable. So I think this is gonna last for a while. I don't think you'll be blowing out the side. Maybe this little pattern on the top will wear off, but I don't think the material itself will give. And then the tongue it's the same kind of material right there as the stretchy upper, but it has a little bit of leather in the middle just to put the logo on there. And this one's the Black Panther logo. On the pair in the back you can see it's the Dame logo. And then, as I said before, the 3-stripe is felt, and this is that same, it's like this one right here is kind of like a rubber, but I'm not sure what the material is. It's held on there very, very tight. I think it's held on by glue. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can kind of see the white edge. You do have little holes right here. I don't know if those are for durability, like of the material so it can flex, or if it's for breathability, but I don't think that the breathability would work on this material, the purple material. And then on the bottom you got 2 different types of rubbers, one with purple and black pattern, and then one that's just all black, and they're both very solid, very sturdy, but they're very sticky, so I think they'll be fine for outdoor use.
Thirsty, thirsty, trying to choose. I mean, I know I'm critical.
The sole goes all the way up on the toe, that way if you're a person who likes to toe drag when you do shots. The eyelets that hold the laces are the same material as the tongue and the stretchy upper part around your ankle. So they're a very nice shoe, very good materials, and for $125, I think this is a really good buy. One of my favorite shoes that I've unboxed. But on the inside there's actually pads all over right there. So there's little small sections of padding, kind of like an Achilles pad in other shoes. And you can see it goes all the way around in there. There's pads here, they go up the foot towards the arch. So I'm pretty sure that should add some comfort to them and maybe help you guys from getting sore feet. They are a little heavier than I was expecting. I did not expect these shoes to be this heavy because they're made out of cheaper materials. I mean, it's a $125 shoe even at the limited edition price, but it's not bad. It's definitely not like Adapt BB heavy or LeBron 16 heavy, but it's a little heavier than the Hardens, but those are very minimal. These are very nice shoes, and I recommend them to anybody. This is a very cool box, and I'm just really happy with the purchase. I'll probably buy a pair for myself if there's still some left, but these ones, as I said, are going to a friend, and I hope he really enjoys them. And right here we got a thank you card from Adidas, and it says thank you for shopping with us, and then on the back it's a 20% off coupon for next in-store purchase. And that's just a little nice touch in there for participating in the purchase. I really like these shoes, and I was hoping to get my hands on other ones, but I mean, I'm the one who pays for everything on this channel, so I can't be out there buying everything. I had to make a choice, and out of all of them, I would have picked these or the Next Level Captain Americas, and then probably the Iron Man's Harden 3, but I don't think I would have chose the other ones, the Miss Marvel or the Nick Fury ones. They just didn't look as appealing. But yeah, these are very nice shoes, and I recommend. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's Ishwan. Bye.
I mean, I know I'm pretty cool. My nitty bag, my kitty moves. I got the juice, I got the juice.
Yep. Juice.